I don't want to talk about those who are looking for power. Do you know one thing I like? I like Tinubu. You know one thing I like Tinubu? Tinubu is not somebody to do eye service. Are you know what I'm saying? In your family, you go and you sold your brother out because of porridge of yam. I don't know whether you're assuming Nnamdi Kanu is at fault. Are you supposed to say such a thing? If you are reasonable, if you say that you are reasonable, you are somebody, former governor, former this, are you supposed to say such a thing? In a country that a bandit, a terrorist, killed Inspector General, Assistant Commissioner of Police, and wore his clothes, his uniform, and come for negotiation meeting with the federal government, and nothing happened. A country where the main bandits and the terrorists are having meeting with, and they said, the government officials said, we know them. But this one, nobody in this trial, nobody, no evidence, no somebody, so just as in I, Mr. AAA, I was a person that burned police station. I was the person that killed this person. I was the person that did this. And I was able to do it because of Nnamdi Kanu's instruction or broadcast. No single person. No single person. Knockout. I don't know what to call knockout. This one's small, the children normally play during the festive period. It was attended in a terrorism charge. No communication. Just like how we normally see. I have participated. I have seen trial. How the trial of a terrorist, how they normally handle it. It's not a tea. It's not a tea and bread something. It's a very serious business. You must secure the conviction, the trial, prove it beyond reasonable doubt. This is the gun. This person is the person who used this gun and killed this person. He said that he was able to kill it upon hearing. You link that broadcast to that particular action. It is not presumed. You don't presume it. You don't do it in assumption. I don't know whether you get what I'm saying. Mr. Victor, somebody said, Allah will deal with you. If I don't kill you this night, call me bastard. And somebody reached him and died. The person made a comment, true. He will be arrested because he's the person that. But it doesn't end like that. You must check. Okay, now, when your chief asked this question, Nnamdi Kanu said, if you go to conference, they played it too. I'm just giving this instance, and I want people to understand it. Nnamdi Kanu said, Ikenwachuku and those who attended international national conference, that national conference 2014 national conference, that if you go there and you do not talk about Biafra, just write your will. Are you know what I'm saying? This is one of the things Nnamdi Kanu, according to them, the same Nnamdi Kanu said. When chief asked them, those people that went there, those Igbo people, did they talk about Biafra there? He said no. Is any of them died? Has any of them died? He said no. That one has settled that. Are you get what I'm saying? Sure. So when somebody made a comment, when somebody said, I will bomb this place, you check, even in law, you check the circumstances that warranted that person to say that thing. Even before you go into that particular comment, you first of all investigate the person from the back. His call, contacts, the people that is sponsored, these are the things that you use to prove terrorism, for goodness sake. Not broadcast. And the broadcast we're even talking about, we watch it, we participated in it. Like ESN. He said that now, if you watch in the southeast, what is raining is raping people, kidnapping, and all these things. This is a matter of urgency. We are going to recruit these people to go into the bush and make sure that there is nothing like banditry, kidnapping, and raping in our bush. And while we are doing this thing, we are going to organize, package the law, and send it to the various state house of assembly for them to enact it as a law, so that it will have backup. In that broadcast, he used what they call as a reference point. It was there. Do you know that that particular video was not reviewed in the judgment? I can go on and on and on and on. I have the record of proceedings, Mr. Victor. I can give you a copy. If you have time, just read it. You now ask, reconcile the judgment with the record of proceedings. That's why I posted in my distance. Because Nnamdi Kanu said that if you know that you're with me, don't go and start arguing blindly on the social media. Because, you know, they normally pay people, they normally recruit people to pull him down. Concentrate on what you're doing. So and I said, for you to talk about any particular judgment, and they said that this judgment is a judgment that is carrying a basket of injustice in his shoulder.